Do you know what sizes I have taken for this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is, the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. In the front we have a door here. After that we'll go inside. So we have living plus kitchen come dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. Also we have sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement and a single bed. And on the left side we have dining counter with 2 chairs and some windows for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go inside. So on the left side we have wash basin arrangement and back side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And if we go on the right side, so we have bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and study table with chair and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this room. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.